Welcome to our truck tour. So this is our completely self-built kitchen. We're very proud of it. This is one of the first things to go in after the bed. So this is our 2-hob gas burner, which was purchased with the very generous donations from our patrons. And this is our absolutely massive Vertifrigo fridge freezer. Freezer on top, fridge on the bottom. So we've got our IKEA sink, which has got one of these things. We've got loads of overhead storage. We've got under here is our gas and our water heater. Drawers for the usual kitchen stuff, and behind here we have our 4-stage water filtration system. This is our full-size shower, and at the bottom we've got our custom-built stainless steel tray. So back here we've got our full-size king-size bed, fixed bed because we can. Underneath we've got our 450 litre water tank, which you can access underneath the mattress. Up here we've got our skylight, which also serves as an emergency exit. And back here, absolutely loads of storage for all of our clothes. So this is our Nature's Head composting loo. It was a big investment, but we think it is well worth it. It is open, you will notice, but we're married. We're kind of past that. So this is our seating area. The table is an offcut from the kitchen surface and it's on a marine pedestal. This then lowers down and we've got an extra cushion in the cupboard, which makes it into like a sofa or spare bed. Under here we have got more storage, and underneath this one is our diesel heater. So up here we've got yet more overhead storage. I feel like we've got so much overhead storage now, we're not entirely sure what we're going to put in it. And then we added these because one thing we did notice is we've not got a lot of hanging space for things like damp towels and stuff like that. So next up, I'm going to show you this thing that opens up completely. So we didn't go for an air conditioning system, but what we did do is we went for the Max Air fan. Now this and one of the windows open or the skylight pulls plenty of air through, so it cools it down and just gets the air moving if it's a little bit warm. This is the nerve centre of the whole thing. Behind these doors is our electrical system, and under here is our batteries. And this is our entertainment system. It's a Nebula Mars Pro 2, which we attach to the roof and project onto this screen, or in the bed. There's another one in the bedroom should we want to. It is quite a big projector, however if you want to watch a whole film on battery power, the small ones just don't cut it. We did try. Right, that's it. That's the inside truck tour done. We hope you like it because we absolutely love it. I'm going to hand you over to Craig now, who'll take you around the outside.
The truck is a Leyland DAF T244. She was built in April 1995. She was one of the last off the production line. She served with 7 Para and originally had a workshop body on the back. We picked her up from a MOD retailer and had the chassis stripped off, a bespoke box built on the back by a coach builder. It's a rail on rail system. We decided not to go for a torsion frame. It's been built in a way that the box can actually lift off if there was anything wrong with the actual truck itself. We can lift the box off and put it on another chassis. She's a beauty. 18,000 kilometres on the clock when we picked her up. Engine wise, it's a Cummins 6BT. It's got a custom exhaust bit put on it, so it sounds like a tank. It's got 210 litre fuel tank. All the fuel lines have been replaced. The original sedimenter has been replaced as well. She's a beauty. On the cab we've got a custom built roof rack by JH Engineering. It's got ladders on both sides, auxiliary lights on the front. On a habitation box we've got a custom set of steps made by JH Engineering, and they actually hang on the tyre rack on the back. 2 large capacity storage boxes. "2.5 metre awning. 2 garage boxes at the back. So on the rear we've got a custom built tyre rack. It's on a winch pulley system. It'll take about a ton of weight. So we've got a spare tyre and 2 storage boxes. So in the garage, got a massive amount of space. So we've got our 450 litre water tank and storage galore. So on this side, again, storage, access to the garage, the amazing safari hatch. Kerry busy working in there. Say hi.
Hi.
And then access to our batteries and our diesel tank. On the roof, we've got 1,000 watts of solar running on 2 separate systems, so if one fails, the other one will keep going. Got a max air fan, 2 small skylights, one above the shower, one above the toilet, and a large one above the bed, which also doubles up as an emergency exit. Got roof protection bars to push any branches off on both sides. And a 5G aerial. So we completely refurbished the cab, put new spring seats, fans, sound deadened, carpeted and resprayed.
Right, that's it. It has been 2 years.
2 years of blood, sweat, tears,
Tantrums.
pain, tantrums, cuts, bruises, and an empty bank balance.
But we're still married.
We are.
And we are about to go on the road.
We are, and we are looking forward to it. So that's our truck tour over. We hope you enjoyed it, and we hope you'll stick with us and watch us whilst we travel around the globe, because we're really looking forward to it.
Yeah, we can't wait.
We'll take you with us. So I think that's us
That's us signing out.
done.
We'll see you on the road.
See you on the road. Stay safe.